Hello, welcome back. And in this session, we will discuss about the chapter number 1, Introduction to Ethical Hacking Module Summary. Come on, one more time, module summary. So yes, we have successfully completed our first module, and that was Introduction to Ethical Hacking. So basically in this module has discussed elements of information security attacks and information warfare. So it has covered various hacking methodologies and frameworks including CEH hacking methodologies, cyber kill chain methodology, Maitre attack framework, and diamond model for intrusion analysis. So it also we also discuss about the hacking concepts and hacker classes. Then in this module closely examined ethical hacking concepts such as its scope, limitations, and the skills of an ethical hacker. So also covered information security controls such as defense in depth, risk management, cyber threat intelligence or threat modeling, incident management process, and the AI or an ML as well. So finally, this module ended with the detailed discussion of various information security acts and laws. So in the next module, we will examine how attackers and as well as ethical hackers and pen testers perform the footprinting to collect the information about their target before an attack or audit.